Welcome back, guys, welcome back. Yes, we're in the garage. It is still freezing cold here in the UK. Shit weather, can't even get out. I'm just playing about in the garage and I thought I'll try and tinker and do something quickly. Got my new little studio lights. If you know, you know. And let's see if we can show some more of this beautiful single engine without any of this plastic shit. So let's get on with it. Wow, look at that, much better. Right, what am I talking about here? Well, I'm talking about this engine cover, this plastic cover here, so we can at least get to see some of this single engine. So we're going to try and work out how to take this one off, and on the other side it's this cover. So obviously, look, you get to see the nice bottom bit of the magnesium, and then you can't even see anything else because it's all protected. So let's see if we can get those off. Fingers crossed, should be easy. Because this is part of the engine, just try not to round these off or try too hard. I'm guessing there's some zip ties there, and then maybe something behind there. I can already see a zip tie there over there as well. 3 of them done. Right, let's get this shit off. Right, so it's loose. Yeah, those 2 zip ties, and I think that zip tie and that one there. Maybe that one as well. I don't know if you can see, there's a couple more zip ties up there, right, so get them as well. That's looking better, but we need to do some tidying up with these wires, so I might undo that zip and tie them up here. Plus up there I need to zip tie them back up, and then this obviously needs a bit of a clean because it looks a bit grubby. Yes, look at that. That looks massively better. It's looking good. I've just cleaned it all up. Just used a bit of engine grease and a bit of MO94, sprayed it on. I've zip tied. That was going this way, so I've zip tied it back that way, and I've put it around this as well just to be safe. Zip tied underneath there. Yeah, man, that looks a million times better. Let's go over to the other side. Right, over to the right hand side cover, which is this thing here. I think there's one bolt down there, and I think there's another one up there. There's a zip tie there. I don't really see anything up there at the moment, but let's just get that off and have a look. Right, so the top one at least comes off easier. So it's not fucking red Loctite to shit, although red Loctite on it. And then this little awkward bugger down here, I might have to use my trusty IKEA little tool to get in there. This feels stiff as well, man. This little tool, fucking brilliant. Right, let's undo that. Okay, so once that one's come out, you just give it a little tug, and you'll see there that just goes into that little rubber grommet there. And then in theory, it's just that one clip on this side, so that's easy enough. And there we have it. Look at that side. Probably doesn't look, there isn't much because the bloody exhaust pipe's in the way, but at least it looks a little bit better. Every little bit helps, innit? And in the name of science, let's just see what this weighs. About 300 grams. So there we have it, all done. Look at that. Trying to get a nice side angle with the small amount of space I've got in my garage, but it looks better, looks all right. Nice, quick, simple 5-10 minute job, boys and girls, in the garage. So you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, do the usual business, and let's keep the channel going. So yeah, take it easy, over and out.